Hi everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the rest of the massive unboxing cubes. So, if you saw my last unboxing, I unboxed a huge amount of cubes, but I kind of ran out of time, so I'm going to be continuing that video today. So let's first start by looking at the Qiyi MS cubes. So here we have a 2x2, a 3x3, a 4x4, and a Pyraminx. I didn't get the 5x5 because I don't really do 5x5. So I just have a decent one, and that's going to do me enough. So let's start with 2x2. So it appears here that we have a layer of plastic that is over a plastic box, which contains a cube wrapped in plastic to then get to the cube that's made from plastic. That is a lot of plastic. This feels so wasteful. Anyways, alright, first impressions, very lubed. I hope you can see that on camera. I think it can pick up, hopefully. So I guess that's a good thing for beginners, because they usually don't have lube. But anyways, let's just do some turns. So one thing that triggers me about these more recent budget cubes is that the logo sticker comes facing blue. And while that is fine, it doesn't affect the performance or anything. I usually like my logo sticker facing green because that's the way you're scrambling. But yeah, the performance of this cube is very good. I'd say maybe better than the Tengyun 2x2. I haven't broken in either, but I'll be comparing a bunch of 2x2s in a future video. But if you bought this cube, you're definitely getting your money's worth, because I believe this is $7, while the MGC, which would still be worth your money, is $10. So yeah, definitely can't go wrong with this. So let's look at the 3x3. So it appears we have the same 4 layers of plastic. Cube companies, how wasteful. This one is also very wet. Yep, that's definitely picking up, even more than the 2x2. But let's do some first turns. Oh, this is pretty tight. I guess that's good for a beginner cube, because if it's too loose, then it'll probably pop on the beginner, and they might not know how to fix it and just throw away the cube. But for a more intermediate solver, the tight tensions, they still feel really nice. This definitely isn't the full review. I'm going to be reviewing these cubes separately. But this is still really good despite the tight tensions. Actually, the feeling, I think, might be similar. Okay, no. The 2x2 feeling is a lot faster and smoother, while this one is more controlled. I can't really tell because the exterior is wet, so I can't use this to my full potential. It's also, like I mentioned, pretty tight. But yeah, that's it for this cube. For the unboxing, that is. So let's move on to the Pyraminx. So looks like they skipped the plastic layer, so there's only 2. Only. There should only be 1. Alright, so we have the plastic and the plastic puzzle. Recently, I've been practicing Pyraminx quite a bit, because if you saw my, or a couple unboxings ago, I had the X-Men bell, and I liked that a lot, but I heard this one isn't too good for the price. Like, the value isn't that good. I personally like this cube quite a bit, actually. I think I might like it more than my X-Men bell. Keep in mind, I'm not a Pyraminx speed solver, but I Okay, the thing about it is I heard the tips are too weak. But for my X-Men Bell, if I accidentally slightly hit a tip, it would just snap like that. But for this one, it would just go like this. So if it's like that, I think the weak tips are actually an advantage to this Pyraminx. Keep in mind, once again, I'm not a Pyraminx speed solver, but that's just my opinion on this. So let's move on. Yeah, I already unboxed this. You can just go watch that unboxing. But basically, I said the size is pretty bad, but the turning is really nice. And yeah, watch out for my full review on all the Qiyi MS cubes. And now let's get on to the Meilong cubes. So first is the Meilong 3C, which I've also unboxed before. And yeah, this is the exact same. It comes decent tensions, and yeah, so like I said, I'm going to magnetize this. So watch out for that video. Next, we have the 3M, which is custom magnetized by All Cube Shop. Keep in mind, all these cubes I got from separate stores. So the Qiyi MS I bought from DailyPuzzles. The RS3 M a couple videos ago, or a few videos ago, depends when I release it. The RS3 M, I got that from DailyPuzzles as well. The Dayan 2x2 got from Skewb Shop. And I also got magnets from the Cube Cold, but I didn't show them because it's not a cube. But yeah, this is really good. The magnets are quite strong, which isn't that good since this cube is quite a controllable cube. There's also a bit of lube, unlike the regular Meilong and the 3C. But yeah, this is great buy. It's customized by All Cube Shop. I believe it's around $13. But you'll have to check. So anyways, next is the 4x4, which is non-magnetic. So you have the 4x4, which is a good size. Alright, so thing I like most about the MS 4x4, or not MS, Meilong, is the size. Look at the difference. This is like a good 4 millimeters in difference in the size. And yeah, that's pretty much the perfect size, I think. I think this is 58 millimeters or a low 59. But yeah, loving the size. Can't really say much. This isn't the full review. Watch out for that. Last is the 2x2, which is also custom magnetized by our All Cube Shop. And let's get into some first turns. This is really tight and has quite strong magnets. It's quite slow as well. I don't know why they chose strong magnets. Okay, it's not that tight actually. Keep in mind, All Cube Shop, they don't do a tension service. It's just a magnet service. But yeah, kind of just wanted it because I was already getting the 3x3 and the 4x4. So that's it for this unboxing. Make sure you come back for the full reviews of all these cubes, and catch you in the next video. Goodbye.
Seconds.